Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Track the shape with 4 edges. Yay! Track the shape with 6 edges. Good job! Track the shape with 4 edges. Fantastic! You're a quick learner! Track the shape with 6 edges. Great job! Track the shape with 4 edges. You did it! Track the shape with 6 edges. You did it! You're a quick learner! Track the shape with 3 edges. Good job! Track the shape with 4 edges. You did it! Track the shape with 3 edges. Fantastic! You're a quick learner!